Hello everyone, welcome to this session on GenRocket Katalon integration journey. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a real-time use case and how Katalon enables data-driven automation test, and then a quick walkthrough on test data challenges. From there, we will see how GenRocket is integrated into Katalon automation scripts and reap the benefits. To continue on our integration journey, as a prerequisite, we would need installation of Katalon Studio to create the automation scripts and then GenRocket to perform the synthetic test data generation. To understand the integration objective, we shall take a simple application of customer account creation functionality, where customer needs to enter the data and hit on create account button. The test data challenges here are data has to be unique on each run, otherwise customer account won't get created on duplicate data. Multiple data combinations are required to test the password strength meter functionality, varying from medium to very strong range. Now let's see how Katalon enables data-driven automation test without GenRocket integration. Once the Katalon Studio tool is installed successfully, we can create automation test cases for our use case, create account customer functionality. Katalon provides two options to view the automated test cases, manual view and the script view mode. In the manual view, each line represents an action to be performed on the application under test. In the script view, the typical view of actual programming code of the test is displayed. Then Katalon allows to parameterize the variables for data-driven test activities by binding the test data from an internal source or an external source like CSV or Excel files or even databases. For our use case, the test data are stored in CSV files. The real challenges in this approach are test data is not unique for each run. Either we need to clean up the application DB or update the test data manually for each run. Data coverage is limited where we require multiple data combinations to test the password strength meter functionality. So far, we have discussed about our use case and how Katalon enables data-driven automation test, and then the test data challenges on our use case. Now let's see how GenRocket's intelligent and powerful capabilities helps to overcome the test data challenges. Log in to GenRocket app and create a test data project with 5 key components. Once the base project setup is done, on top of that, GenRocket allows us to create G cases. G cases are nothing but test data cases helps to configure the test case specific data varieties. Our test scenario requires multiple data combinations to test the password strength meter functionality. Hence, we can efficiently and easily tweak only those attributes to suffice the need. You could see that password attributes have been tweaked to generate various combinations required as per the scenario, and according to the password strength meter value is generated. Even before the integration and deploy for actual data generation, data preview capability enables us to visually preview and validate the data against its requirement. Then download the necessary GenRocket components to integrate into Katalon automation scripts. Let's go back to Katalon Studio where our automation scripts are available. Import the necessary GenRocket jobs as shown in line number 30 and 31, which are required to invoke the GenRocket APIs. Then load the necessary GenRocket components like scenario and G cases. Once these setups are completed, then trigger the GenRocket scenario run in memory API to generate the synthetic data. When the amount of data being generated is small and not memory intensive, GenRocket suggests to use scenario run in memory API. On triggering this API in line number 48, the test data is returned in memory, eliminating the need for write and read test data files. This also enhances the test execution speed as the time spent on reading test data files are eliminated completely. Allow the automation scripts to consume and iterate through the generated data for data-driven testing. That's it, GenRocket is now integrated into Katalon automation scripts. Now on each run, test data is synthetically generated, which is unique and has multiple data combinations, resolves the test data challenges we have discussed. Let's do a quick recap on what we have learned today. We have learned about how Katalon enables data-driven automation test and how GenRocket can be integrated into Katalon automation scripts to overcome the test data challenges. Thank you for watching this video. For any queries, please reach out to our knowledge base and our support team.